Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to download music from YouTube to MP3. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. In this video we will download only the music that YouTube provides for free. So to download music from YouTube we do the following. We're logging into a Google account and I've already done that. Now click on the icon of your avatar here in the upper right corner and select YouTube Studio. Next, scroll down the list on the left and click on Audio Library. As you can see, we have opened a library of audio tracks and sounds, each of which can be used for free in your videos or projects. To download any of them, hover over the audio track and select Download. If you use a Chrome browser, all downloaded files will be on your computer in the Downloads folder. Most of these tracks can be used without attribution, as you can see here in the license type column on each track. But there are audio tracks that can still be used for free, only you need to include attribution information in the description. Read the license type for such tracks or use the option during the search. Attribution not required, thereby filtering out unnecessary tracks. And that's it. Now you know more.